Sharon would like to thank Play and Display Home Furniture and Furnishings, Fanny Serrano Cosmetics, Mr. Arnold Delgado of Dexys Catering Services, Fruit Magic, Waffle Time, Aquabest, pure water at its perfection.
Maraming salamat po to Pin Antonio of Antonio's Hairdressing for my haircut. Antonio's is at El Jardín Presidente Sergeant Esguerra, Quezon City. And Bing Cristobal's House of Fashion for my blouse. Sa Rosas Avenue po yan, Quezon City rin. At Peachy Mariano of Fanny Serrano Salon for my makeup. I love you, Peach. And Miss si Flor of Antonio's Hairdressing also for my hair. And Gina Liamanzares, Miss Gina Hay of Play and Display for the set. And Mr. Arnold Delgado of Dexys Catering for providing our food tonight, 565-3894. And that's about it. Yanni, anong meron?
Sir George ng George Bantolino ng Sir George. Maraming salamat po.
Yan.
Sa pamilya ko.
Thank you. At salamat sa aking guests. Lahat kayo talaga you made the show more
Thank you so much.
tonight.
Thank you. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa aking daddy for my hair and my color.
Yeah, that's right. For your jeans. Yeah. Ate Eva, ikaw. Yung album.
Yung mga show namin, yung album ko, huwag niyong kalimitan, Jukebox Diva.
Ayan.
At saka yung show namin dalawa ni Bayani, Secret.
Secret pa ho hanggang ngayon. Ayan. Thank you again, Miss Ganda and Frenchie.
Thank you din po sa Good Lord for my dress.
Ayan. And you, okay?
5677.
Okay. And, Bugoy, talagang hindi ko pwedeng tingnan dito pa kailangan kantahin natin eh. Hindi mo mapigilan. Ano lang kaya? Ginagawa na ako ni Mr. C ng sagot dyan. Okay, di ba? Anyway, maraming salamat po muli sa inyo lahat. At sa Glock 9 kanina, thank you very much, Arias. Yan, at see you po on Sundays. Thank you so very much for watching us. See you on Sunday. Love you, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. God bless.
Taiwan.
Love you, honey.
Yun!
Crush, 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 crush. Galing, crush, crush. You crush to me.